What's up guys, this is Sean and I'm doing this video from the front facing camera of ZTE Axon 30 5G smartphone that comes with 16 megapixel under display front facing camera capable of recording 1080p resolution videos. For pictures we got the beautification, we got flashlight and some filters that you can apply on the pictures, and then we got the portrait mode under which you can beautify your pictures, and it comes with some bokeh effects as well. And then for videos we got beautification, but if you use beautification for the video recording from the front facing camera, then it's use 720p HD only. So here I'm just trying to give you an idea of the front-facing camera capability of ZTE Axon 30 5G. That how good or bad will be the front-facing camera quality if you get the ZTE Axon 30 5G for yourself. So just a quick demo of the front-facing camera capability of ZTE Axon 30 5G here. So that's all for now friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notification whenever there are more videos live on this channel. So I'll see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.